Hello. Is this a DGen stream? Should it be? So how we doing? How we doing? How was our day, everyone? Huh? How we got? Oh, we got a ton of LRLR up here on the upside. We got relative equal lows to the downside. Oi, oi. Excuse me. So we still have this data low down here. We like inverse this 30-minute up, but now we're not doing anything. Oh, okay. Hold up. We're gonna mark out this giant 15-minute BPR, and we're gonna extend this. What up, sheets? So I'm gonna extend this to the right. Label this M15 BPR so that we can keep that on our radar. Sheep, Sean, and man, try and say that 3 times fast. Sheet, Sean, and Sheet, Sean, and Jay. Sheet, Sean, and Sheet, Sean, and Jay. Sheet, Sean, and Jay. Sheet, Sean, and Jay. Oh, it went better than I thought it would. But was anybody else kind of like eyeballing this 5-minute short to the data low? Because like I was, but then like we didn't get it. Like if we would, let's go back here. See this candle, the way it was coming down, this momentum. If we would have like closed below that on the next candle or something, that would have took. You messaged me about it? Oh, I think I was doing a one at the time. My bad. I was trying to stay focused. I like opened up the chart once and I was all, wait, I'm not here to trade. But we're just delivering out of this 5 minutes still, so maybe we can manipulate up over this high, get a V shape down. I mean, I want to be. Oh wait, you guys flat on the day, bro? Yeah, I just got on. I didn't trade AM, so I just got on. Man, look at why is 721 got a hit? You guys, we waited so long for 721 yesterday. Are you kidding me? No, wait, 2 days we waited for 721. Look at this. 2 days we waited for to get 721, and it happened pre-market this morning. Friggin' toxic, man. And then this? Holy. Bro. Hopefully today's better than yesterday. Thoughts on the new PFP? I almost stole it. But I figured I'd give you a couple days with it. Hey, I'm looking to go to Lucid. Are you using Tradeovate and charting on TradingView? So I I use Replicanto to copy trade everything. So I got my Lucids, my TPTs, and my FFFs all copy trade set up to copy trade through Replicanto. So I just execute from my leader on TradingView. Yeah. Oh yeah. Listen, Sheets. I was gonna mention that during our conversation, but like, it felt wrong to start mentioning accounts and stuff in the middle of that. But I was gonna tell you, bro, if the monthly renew thing gets to you, then I would definitely check out Lucid because they're no activation fee and they're one-time payment, so it's non-recurring. So you can just take your sweet ass time. It's super nice. Well, the reason being is because usually after I mention Lucid accounts, I say use code OKNQ, so that's why I didn't want to do it then. Also, bro, you don't do that right now. Let's go. I was in this 3 minute. Bro, it's all good, man. If you're having a hard time, um, like you gotta, maybe you should commit to I stream AM and PM every day, Tanya, but I just missed AM today because I overslept. I low-key got into a 15-minute CISD after we swept the 4-hour low and V-shaped up. Let's see. 4-hour low. Oh, this 4-hour low here. I thought you had stopped for some reason. No. Well, I've only been being this consistent about it for a few weeks. About a month or so. Yeah. So you got in this 15-minute down here? Nice. Hey, that feels good then, huh? Good shit. Yeah, there was a couple good setups. This 1 minute was. This is when I see stuff like this and I kick myself for not getting up on time. But sometimes if you gotta sleep, you gotta sleep, man. I'm sorry. I'm just kidding. That won't happen again, you guys, just so you know. That was a one-off. Beauty sleep is the most important thing. Yeah. Lord knows I need it. Man, even like. Oh wait, never mind. I don't want to say it. Oh. Well, that's a candle, huh? Maybe my bias is wrong. What's your guys' bias on here? What's everyone's bias in here? I keep saying I'm bullish, but this PA is weird as shit. I'm like bullish, but we're just not ripping like I thought we were gonna. But I mean I predict by 2026 we'll probably be at all-time highs again. I know that's just been the trend lately. We just like dump at open and then it's just grindy back up. Like, look at this. This was yesterday and then this was today. Like, we just dump off open, chop, 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 chop all the way back through. Dump off open, chop, 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 chop all the way back through. Except for this time, we actually put in like a 3 drives down here. 1, 2, 3. That's a really bullish signature in price. Can't lie. Get on and short at 9 a.m. tomorrow. Yep, pretty much. Like, dude, the dump yesterday was nuts. I'm gonna try out some Lucid Flex 20, some Lucid 25K Flex, dude. They're really, really nice, man. That's what I got, and they're still 40% off until Friday. I know my little graphic says that it ended yesterday, but they extended the sale, the 40% off sale till Friday. So, but yeah, one-time payment, no consistency rules, no buffer zone. Oh man. What was that account you mentioned? Yeah, Lucid Flex. So Lucid Flex, the evals are 2 days to pass, so 50% consistency rule. Well, minimum 2 days to pass. But then when you get the fundeds, they have like the best funded rules ever. No consistency rule, no buffer zone, no daily loss limit. And the way that their payout, the payout rules work is incredible. Having no consistency rule and no buffer zone is so lit. Damn. Past MFFU core this morning. Fire. Get it. Get that bread, Devin. No, we're we're talking about that this morning, and we've been burned so many times trying to catch the opening candle. Yeah, literally. I'm like, this is good. No renewals either. Yeah, one-time fee. So like right now, no one-time fee and no activation fee. So the Lucid Flex evals, the 50Ks are only $78 all in, non-recurring, and then they have the best funded rules. And that sale lasts till Friday. Oh, and also, if you want a chance to try a Lucid Flex account and not pay for it, there's still time to enter the giveaway I'm running. So, yeah, you can do that too. Take your shot at a duck race. May the fastest swimming duck win. There's a announcement. Here, wait. Let me just send you the link. Basically, go to my TikTok, like preferably my TikTok, but if you don't have TikTok, go to my YouTube and go to my shorts, and there's a video. Oh wait, whoa. Don't at everyone. But if you go to that, go to my post, comment the word Lucid, and be in my Discord on Friday. That's all you got to do. Like the post, comment the word Lucid, and that's it. And be in the Discord Friday. That's it. Man, I really hope people start talking because now the chat is just my face right there, and it's really throwing me off. Truly, if we could both trade the same prop firms, I'd buy up on Lucid because it's all in cheaper than Apex. It's all in cheaper than Apex and no trailing. No unrealized trailing drawdown. No 30% consistency rule. All you got to do is get $550 days and you can take out 50% of your profits up to $2,000. So sick. And then, okay, wait, hold up. I've been using MFFU instead of Apex, but the monthly renewal, and sometimes that makes me feel blinded by that. Yeah. Yeah, see, it's nice to have that. Like, if that's something that does bother you, it's nice to have that peace of mind, right? Like, just one-time fee, and that's it. And you don't have to worry about a time limit to pass. So, MFFU. Oh, I've been using MFFU instead of. All right. Yeah. And MFFU is good too, but there's just something about the one-time payment that you can't beat. Like, I got Lucid Flex does not have monthly fee. It's just one-time fee. Yes. So you could take 3 months to pass it, and you won't renew. It doesn't matter. Take as long as you want. So I'm not gonna lie, I stacked up on them, and I'm just trading light size, just taking my time on them because I want to make sure I pass them all. So I'm just trading them with the way what we take on stream, and when I get there, I get there. No rush because I don't have to worry about paying for them all again. Super fire. Full transparency mode. I'm still really eyeballing this 5-minute. What happens if you blow them in the eval phase? Can you reset for a reset fee? Yeah, you can. And in fact, if you if and still no monthly fee, yeah. So, and actually, right now they're doing a promo. So if you get 5 of them, they give you a free reset on top of it too. I always forget to mention that, but the 5 isn't as bad anymore. I want to take it. I hope it triggers. 'Cause we also now we have an SMT. This is a play I'd be happy to risk money on. I really like the data low down here as the draw. We got delivery. We got an SMT. You feel super off today? Yeah, so do I, honestly. I can't read the market for shit. Yeah, that's fair. It's from earlier this week. That little weak ass news. It was like 10 a.m. news or something, and it was really, yeah. It was the 10 a.m. news, but it left perfect equal lows. It's not really an abnormal wick, but I still see it as a target. 3-minute short. I'm watching the 5-minute. Yeah, like if you were looking at your chart and didn't know it was there, you'd never spot it. It's not abnormal or anything. It's not even a swing low. For some reason, I just always mark them out until they get hit. I don't care the size of them. For some reason, red folder news wicks, they always get taken. It was like on Tuesday. Or either Monday or Tuesday. I think it was Monday. Oh yeah, it was ISM Manufacturing. Didn't leave an abnormal wick, but it technically is red folder, so. 581 to 612. What's that, like 30 points or something? 32-ish points. Get it during the macro. That would, I mean, obviously, yeah, that would be pristine. This LRLR, yep. There's LRLR. So if you zoom down a little bit, all this, and then there's perfect equal lows somewhere way down here. Wait, where are they at? Oh, just all this is just, there's no gaps right here that I think we'd really bounce from. I like the 5-minute short. Yeah, that's what I'm looking at too. But big stop loss. That's not too bad. 30 points. I mean, I'm doing a hard stop of 25 points regardless, so there's a 2-minute that triggered. Yeah, there is a 2-minute right here that triggered, but I'm not taking any short while we're inside this 5-minute that we keep bouncing out of. I'd rather just wait for the 5. So hopefully PM actually like does something. Yep, sure thing, YouTube. Thank you so much for emailing me to let me know that I'm live on my channel. I really didn't, I was counting on that, so. Let's check different time frame here real quick. I guess I could kind of see the vision on this 1 minute. Like, I really want the 5 minute short, but I'm trying also not to like completely marry it, you know? I'd be clinching if I was in this 2 minute. Yeah, exactly. That's why I was like, I'm not shorting while we're still in this 5 minute gap that keeps holding us up. I'll wait till we close below it. From a liquidity standpoint, though, you'd think since we have this SMT up here that we'd want to go for sell side next. Looking at the 15 minute, I don't think I'm going to take anything. It looks like really bad. 15 minute looks so bad. Dude. Damn. This is like. Like, I know for sure if I lost and look back on the 15 minute, I'd break my monitor. Hulk smash the desk. So ridiculous. So, Jay, what I mean when I'm saying I'm going to wait for this 5 minute is I'm going to wait until I get a candle on the 5 minute time frame that closes below this gap that I have drawn out. You figured that one out? Let's go. Let's go, bud. Jay is locking in. If I buy a Lucid 25K, can I just let it sit in my emails, or is there like a 7-day period which you must take your first trade? They don't have an inactivity. I think their inactivity period is like 20. It's like 20 days. But they don't care. You don't have to trade like every 5 days. It's literally like 20 days, and then they'll send you an email and be like, "Hey, are you still using this?" And that's it. So you don't have to like just trade it like right when you get it. We live in Oregon. Sorry, I didn't see that question in chat, so I was trying to answer it because I don't know how long ago they asked. Thanks. Yeah, no problem. West Coasters. Trading at 6. Listen, so now you see why I was like I didn't make it this morning. I just kind of had a late start, but but I've been doing real good at getting up early, so I tried to get the beauty sleep in, but it doesn't do anything still. It's crazy. Market open is at 8:30 for you. Nice. Kept the clock on mountain time. It's not actually 6:30. It's 8:30, so it's not that early. Yo, I'm pretty sure morning people might be psychopaths, low key. Man, it just depends. Sometimes I am, sometimes I'm really not. Man, hourly chart kind of looking like it wants to dump. I can't lie. Okay, Jay. Mr. Fahrenheit, what do you say? I'm from Germany. Be right back. Bet. Bring the price action candles back with you, please. Okay. Get it. Dude, that's how it is here, man. It's so cool. All right, I think we're gonna get this 5 minute. No, because this new hourly opened, and I don't know. I want us to get it. Ugh. It's literally just been like cold and gloomy here. Talk about depression. 2 minute chart sucks. It's not good. It's definitely not good. That's for sure. Cold and gloomy here too. Snowed and all, man. Damn. See, I don't mind. I don't mind when we get snow on the mountain. That's fine, but I don't need it in the driveway. 74 and sunny by me. Mods ban him. Get him out the chat. No wonder he's so hyped to learn how to trade. He's actually in a good mood because the weather's decent. Shit. Give me some of that warm weather motivation. Dude, Jay, your name is driving me crazy, bro. You need to go get some. You need to go claim some roles, bro. The color of your name's all boring. Indiana, yeah. Yep, and then she came here and there was so much snow that my car got stuck for 3 weeks. So just ruined that, but I had to earn the trader role. Like I had to make it through a few videos of the boot camp before. Or he had to press his first button first. That's why. He had to press the paper button once to earn the color. Yeah, the airstream did get wrecked. That's stupid. Jay's up more. Jay's up more than me on the day. Damn. Fire. he he took a few plays. I'm not allowed to live trade unless it's during the stream. Yeah, definitely don't. Like you already heard what I said about the Lucid accounts. You don't gotta worry about the rebill. So just take your time. We'll get through this. I got BE twice, so props. Jay probably don't be going break even. Bros, he's probably like take profit or stop loss only, I bet. Absolutely. I knew it. Bro's like, what's the point of going BE, man? $1,200 loss? Why'd you what happened? That's right. That's what we're gonna do around here. All of us are gonna mold into weapons. Still up 400. So, dude, wait. How many trades have you taken? 4. Was the bro? I can't. That's too funny, bro. This is what happens when you don't stream in the morning. University City. I don't know where any of those places are. I'm a boring Oregon boy. Haven't done shit. I've been to Canada. So looking at this hourly so far, we're just dojiing, but yes, sir. So there's this little 1 minute here that is for some reason look like shit. I'm trying to find something else that we could take besides the 5 minute, but I don't know. I'm not seeing anything right now. If somebody else has a vision they'd like to share with me, please let me know, because these candles are not providing very much narrative right now. Job just over broke. Been watching the 5 minute too. It's right on the edge of 1 hour LRLR. It's a little sloppy trend line. It keeps failing to break. There's so much. Dude, do you guys see all this down here? Holy. There is so much liquidity down there. That's crazy. Like, okay. Are y'all trading on your phones? I'm sure some people are. I used to, but I deleted the app because I was spending too much time on it. Yeah, Amy is like a. So, bro, there's been mornings where I woke up and rolled over, and Amy's on her phone, and she looks over and she's like, "I'm done for the day." I'm like, "What in the hell?" But what? Jeez. Too easy to feel like a video game? Yeah. Jay is locked in, bro. Here you go. Dude, stop going. Man, my camera keeps like going back to live photos for no reason. I don't like it. Preserve settings. Yeah, what the hell? What's everyone's favorite meal and dessert? I'm gathering ideas. Yes, yes, yes. Run it, run it, run it, run it. There's the setup we're working with. I got sticky notes all over the place. And then Amy and I got these. We got these giant post-it notes that you can put on the wall. So we're doing that to organize my ADHD. That's where my okay. That's funny. Steak. Listen, you guys. Do you? Oh man. Jay, you stay right there. Bro, look at the color of this. Oh man, dude. This is the best steak ever. Okay, Jay. Can someone ban this guy for real? For real? Like, if there's ever been a sus comment, that's it right there. This can't be. All right, we're going to get this 5-minute. Yeah, Snake River. We love Snake River Farms, bro. We get skirt steak and bavette. Glass jar for the win. So we have a bullish SMT with this low. Whoa, was I just looking at a 3-point inverse, bro? Dude, wake up. What are you doing? So, still didn't get the 5-minute. Bro. Man, I hate 5-minute inverses, bro. Having to wait a whole nother 5 minutes when it doesn't trigger is like, no, it's like 3-minute gap is a little bit bigger. What up? I mean, my overall bias is bullish, but I'm kind of eyeballing this 5-minute short right now. Oh, wait a minute. Because it kind of has everything I need. We got the sweep. We even have an SMT. We got delivery. We got FEG size. And we have, excuse me, we have targets. Don't dump without us, please. Bro. Why does the market always do this to us, dude? Okay, I'm hopping in, dude. I don't care. I don't care.
Order submitted. Order submitted. Order submitted. Order
Okay,
submitted.
I'm out. It's a me, Mario. That was, Jay said, well, that was fun. Anybody else? Anybody else? I think this dumps to the data low, but I'm happy with that. Yes, I'm holding. Yeah, I mean, 482 is about to get smacked, but I'm cool. What made you confident to chase it? Because I just feel like this draw on liquidity is super obvious, and the momentum was kicking in. I've been staring at it since before lunch session even started, and so I've kind of just been like, I want that. I was gonna hold to this low here, but I'm good. 26ish points or something. That's all I need. Good enough. I'm logging out. That's so fire. Yeah. If you are in this 5 minute, you're probably about to print. I probably should have just held that, but that's okay. I brought the volume with me. Appreciate it. You better not have. Bro, we didn't even. You didn't even set up your copy trade stuff. Wait, did you? Why did I set that up for you, bro? I should not have told you how to use that shit. Well, there you go. What'd you make? You said to, I said to follow along starting next week. I told you to trade paper this week. $530. All right. Oh, Jay. Bro's in here freaking taking his first ever eval trade, copy trading 5 Lucid accounts with a mini, bro. This guy has no fear at all, dude. Just remember this moment when you lose your first eval funded for real. That's funny as hell. In your one-on-one, you said I could start pressing buttons when you do. So, dude, I meant on the paper. That's why I said. That's why when we were on TradingView and you logged into trading or you logged into your Lucids, I said, "Bro, get out." I said, "Sign back into paper," because I said you're not doing that yet. But I mean, did it actually copy trade right for you, bro? Like, did it actually do it on all of them? How do I check? That's a problem, dude. No, he doesn't even know how to look. He doesn't. You don't need me, bro. Do your thing. Oh my god, bro, that's so funny. Okay, let me log back in here. You guys, I think this is about to V-shape back up. I genuinely think that this might turn around here. There's no delivery. Hold my beer. There's your delivery. Volume imbalance. What up, Big Frank? See how we bouncing out of this VI? Hold my beer, fam. Can you trust a VI as much as a FVG? No. But still usable. That was a pretty aggressive move down. I honestly think that I keep feeling like, yeah, the 5 minute, it's a pretty big gap. So there's like a 5 minute, there's a 4 minute, and there's a 3 minute. Oh my jeez, bro. This, listen. I don't think I'm gonna. Sheesh. I don't think I'm gonna end up taking more than one trade, so. That'll be my only trade of the day. So close, bro. You guys, I had this take profit 25K pro account that I messed up on. We'll just say that one day, and it had $87 in drawdown left before it was blown, and I'm 120 bucks away from being back at starting balance. Oh, bruh. $414. We want 414. Well, Sean wants 414. Did anybody besides did anybody actually try that 5 minute or what? Amy got it. Yeah. Just got back to your screen as it was ripping. You know what I just realized is I didn't do. Oh wait, yeah, I did. Wait. Stream trades 12.2. Oh, okay, so I have been updating it. Look at that. On one funded but not personal because I forgot to log in on my phone. $250 a day keeps the 9 to 5 away. Like, and then some. That's a great day, you know? Bro, that's so crazy, bro. I was literally, Amy and I have been literally talking about this. We talked about it earlier outside this morning, and I was like, I gotta get Jay switched over to trading micros though, because he don't need to be trading minis this soon. And I guess I didn't get there in time. Two $250 $250 a day for 12 trading days across 5 accounts at 10K a month. Dude, that's nuts. Dude, 5 micros for 25 points. Yeah, that's it. Bro, this 5-minute looks crazy. Hold up. Like, bro, is anyone else seeing this 5-minute? Like, holy, this looks pretty good. Got the dump. Man, that's so lame having to do that's my I guess if you had a lot of conviction, you could swap over to the 4-minute instead. The 4-minute also does look pretty good, and it's the same gap as the 5-minute. So if you had a lot of conviction, you probably could try that one. Break the SMT pretty much. It's a pretty big stop loss, depending on how you do your stop loss. But yeah. My brain is telling me not to get greedy. So I'm just gonna let this go without me. The 4-minute did trigger. It's possible that it could like kind of be stally until the 5-minute triggers. But dude, this is really A plus. Like I already took a good play and I have FOMO over how good this play is. That's all I'm saying. So but this is good practice for me to just be like happy with where I'm at. So the 4-minute, if you're in on the 4-minute, I mean, you could probably get away with going BE now because this doesn't. You don't want this to slow down. Because this should just continue to rip past this SMT. To be honest. Oh man, I got FOMO. Please tell me people in the chat are in this, bro. This is crazy. This should pop over this high. If we pop over this high, for sure go BE. If I said I was in this, you'd probably reach through your screen. Yeah, probably. So there's that little wick. That would be like your for sure go BE here spot. Oh wait, actually it didn't really hit it. Oof. That was not the best candle. Holy. But I don't know. There's no way this doesn't fly, but let's make sure we don't have like a bearish bearish SMT anywhere. We don't. We're leaving perfect equal highs. Probably just pull back, waiting for this 5 minute to inverse low key. Dude, that would be such a shitty BE, bro. Yikes. Man, the fact that we got 1 point from this wick, bro. That's crazy. Yeah, I agree, but I still think once this 5 minute inverses, this is chilling. It's just stalling, waiting for the 5 to enter or to trigger. Man, nasty little pullback on that. That's messed up. So the 5 minute just inverse there. The 5 minute close is bad. I disagree, honestly. If you wanted to wait for the 5 minute, you'd rather it close down here than way up here, right? Now you have targets still left intact for the 5 minute inverse to target. But that's kind of not a good sign that we got that close on that and came back down. Like that momentum should basically have just ripped. So this could be completely cooked, you know. But I think it should be good to pump still. Let's see. How much did that go up? I mean, at one point you were up 22 points, so if you chose not to go BE at that point, I guess I get it, but I can't picture getting up that many points and not going BE, just for me personally. Yeah, this is... It's possible that this pulls back to tap into this gap before we continue higher. But I feel like most people already got beat. Man, that's so toxic, bro. NQ literally would do that. Just come literally a point away from the high. So we just tapped down into this 30-second BPR here, so maybe that'll give us some rocket fuel. decent reaction there. I'd say if you are in the 5 minute, if we can get back up to here, like I'd probably just go break even because after pulling back like that, tapping into that 30-second, if we do start pumping back up, you really don't want that to turn around again. So work with me. Coming up on the 15-minute close as well. I mean, this 15-minute looks good to go higher, but what you don't want is for us to rebalance this candle like we have been all day. But this 5 minutes chilling. You're good, Sean. You're good, YNT. Hopefully. Ah! I'm playing. You got out? Oh, okay. Makes sense to go higher now. So we're almost at that new break-even spot. If you're not feeling it, you know, it's safe to go BE now. Me personally, the way this is acting, I would not want to be in this anymore. So even if it does end up working, it's just a little, it's not my style of a trade. Like the setup was definitely my style, but the way that it's behaving since it triggered is not. Sorry. That was probably unclear. The setup was amazing. The way that it's behaving now is pretty mid, obviously, but market open, big dump, then just range the entire day. Yep. So big dump, range the entire day, sweeping lows, sweeping highs, and then now we just dump, sweep a bunch of sell side, and then get a V shape back up, and now it's just stalling right towards liquidity. So it could be a timing issue. Maybe the market is chill on running stuff. No, I missed out on AM on Fort. I don't know if anybody else caught anything though. Took 30 seconds short. What time? At open or what? Seek and destroy profile? Yeah, that's what I just said. It definitely seems like that today. Did you take this one at open? Is that what it was? YNT? Because that's crazy work. Oh. Oh. Down. This one? Looks like that one. I'm usually pretty good at... yeah. Like, dude, when people show me setups, I'm so good at finding them sometimes. But then other times I'm like, don't know where I am. So I should get a pop here. Okay. So there's now you want to BB on this 5 minute. For sure, BB. Because this should rip now. Yeah, definitely be break even on this now. That was a nice candle. If this pulls back again, back to your entry, there's no way you want to still be in this. So, but my full TP on this would be 25.65325 with a scale probably like once we popped over all these highs, I would scale a little bit. So like maybe there. Or well, I'm glad that I decided not to like marry my bias because usually I would have talked myself out of taking that short just because I'm bullish. I'm glad I didn't do that. If we get a pull back in the 5-min, I'll try it. 49. 49. So I got in barely early. Oh, I got in like 7 points early. Oops. You got beat on that just now? No way. Bro, no way. $23.50. For real. This shit better fail now. Especially the day before major news. I believe tomorrow is PC. Yeah, there. Oh yeah, we do have Red Fuller tomorrow. Oh, we have. Ooh. Oh wait, that's CAD. Uh. Bro, I just unchecked CAD. Oh. So we have PCE and consumer sentiment and inflation expectations, which that actually might be super relevant because of rate cut scenarios. I feel like the inflation data is relevant to rate cuts, but man, this 5 minutes taking forever. Here, wait. I'll try some reverse psychology on the market. All right, guys. I'm gonna hop off now since the candles aren't moving. I don't know. I don't think it worked. But I'll give it till noon or 3. You got to try re-entering a trade and then reverse your position. Oh man. One time I told Amy, I was like, hear me out. Let's say you buy with 5 micros, right? Well, instead of having 5 micros as your stop loss, what if you had 10 as your stop loss? So that when it did stop you out, it reversed your position so you're going the right direction. Then you can just try and hold that to make your loss that you just took back. Imagine that. Yep, just double your stop loss so that if it keeps going against you, you start making money instead. And then lose that too. Yeah. Man, we got 10 viewers on the YouTube. That's fire. So maybe we start putting in a little order block and get some movement. I feel like that was PM move after what happened in the AM2. Yeah, the sweep was don't have enough margins. You want too much. Yeah, the sweep of this low down here, that was pretty aggressive. So I don't know, man. This momentum was crazy. I feel like we're just swept south side. Now we're back up here in this range where we were accumulating earlier, right? So I feel like we're just accumulating a little bit more, and then it's just gonna pop over these highs. That's what I feel like. Chop and then the macro, yeah, but I think it's gonna pop. Wanted to play up to 25,510. Wanted to play that up. Wait, what? Wanted to play that up 25,510. Wait, maybe I think I'm confused. Meaning I wanted to short it. Oh, gotcha. Down to here. Yeah, that's what I ended up taking was a 5-minute short. I took this 5-minute short down to about here. I didn't bother holding to the low. I wish I would have. I need to get better at that, but I'm like so fed up of NQ just like getting a few points away and turning around. So I'm just like, bro, when I see P&L I'm happy with, then I'm just gonna take it. Maybe I should have trailed my stop instead. That probably could have been a good thing to do. But that was a really good play. I'm off, bro. All right, see ya. Watching VP makes a big difference to know my levels where it's going to hit a volume profile. Yeah. Got another payout coming after market close. Hey, Lucid or what? Let's go, dude. Bro's about to get paid in like 30 seconds again. Lucid is so fast, bro. It's crazy. Dude, this 1 hour chart, bro. The 1 hour chart makes me think that this should dump. Like, it's kind of crazy we didn't sweep the data low, but see now it looks like we could be trying to put in a 15-minute OB down. But that's 3:00. And I think that's gonna do it for me today, guys. Solid day. Solid day. Of course, you guys. Yeah, we'll be on here for AM. Don't forget to snag your Lucid Flex accounts before the promo ends on Friday.